Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Island Grill opens its 18th location in Ocho Rios at White River North Plaza and invested $1.6 billion on creating the drive-through location. This new location is the start of an aggressive expansion strategy driven by double-digit revenue growth due to customer loyalty and an industry boom. This has resulted in longer operating hours at its new store in order to meet increased customer demand. Executives of listed companies have advised the public of their buying and selling activities. Supreme Ventures Limited has advised that on August 27, 2025, a connected party purchased 11,004 Supreme Ventures shares, and a senior manager sold 172,204 Supreme Ventures shares. Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited has advised that a connected party sold 150,000 shares on August 26, 2025. Sagicor Jamaica has also advised that the trustee of the SLJ Employee Share Purchase Plan purchased 300,187 Sagicor Jamaica shares on August 28, 2025. Unicoma Group recently announced the appointment of Anne-Marie Walters as Managing Director of its Jamaica-based operations. Walters' appointment marks a historic milestone for Unicoma Jamaica as she becomes the first woman to serve as a Managing Director of the Jamaica operation, which includes Quartz Jamaica in its 66-year history. She has been serving in the role effective June 9, 2025. The newly appointed Managing Director of Unicoma Jamaica will have oversight of subsidiaries Quartz Jamaica, Ashley Furniture, Lucky Dollar, Radio Shack, Quartz Optical, and Ready Cash. For the trading period ending August 29, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 8,266,005 units traded, representing 15.17% of market sales volume. Online Educator One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 6,999,914 units traded, representing 12.84% of market sales volume. Healthcare distribution firm Medical Disposable and Supplies Limited with 4,999,626 units traded, representing 9.17% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On August 29, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $64.32 million purchased and US $54.81 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.56 per dollar, selling the US at $161.09 and buying the US at $159.53. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $6.73 per transaction, with selling at $119.05 and buying at $112.32. The British pound yielded Forex traders $5.66 in profits, with selling at $217.98 and buying at $212.32. For our credit report tip of the day, there are two dangerous myths floating around when it comes to credit. The first untruth is that your debt will disappear over time if you ignore your credit report. Some have even said there's a 7-year expungement. Not true. The second myth is that it's the bank's responsibility to update your credit report. Also, not true. Both of these are false, and believing them can seriously hinder your financial growth. So be advised and get help to deal with your credit report if needed. Now, when you're building something from nothing as a professional woman over the age of 45 and you're seeking to move beyond financial resilience, a weekly CEO hour, which is 60 minutes dedicated solely to evaluating, planning, and optimizing your cash flow system, can be a game changer for professional women. This is your time to step into the leadership role of your finances, discover opportunities, and claim small wins that compound into long-term wealth. Here are ways to implement. So you're going to review weekly income streams and update cash flow charts. Check outstanding invoices or payments due. Audit reoccurring subscriptions for potential savings. And then compare actual expenses versus budget projections. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.